Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about what's going to happen on the near future of crypto, from a fringe idea to the cornerstone of the next financial system. This isn't just about trading coins. It's going to change how money, assets, and even governments operate by 2030. Let's go back 10 or 15 years. The initial crypto boom led by Bitcoin and early altcoins was really for a very specific personal user. It was a niche space driven by early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and people focused on the pure ideological dream of decentralization. For many years, this world operated completely separate from traditional finance. Transactions were often slow, volatile, and carried a lot of steam. It was a fascinating experiment, but it wasn't the plumbing of the global economy. Fast forward to today, and look what happened. We have giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, and major banks offering Bitcoin ETFs and crypto products to all their clients. Even central banks are testing digital currencies. The digital asset infrastructure is being built right now, and the technology behind it is the key. Yes, blockchain is now being used for much more than just coins, and that's where asset tokenization enters the picture. So what is asset tokenization? Let's break it down simply. Imagine you own a pizza shop, and this shop is worth $1 million. The problem is that it's really hard to sell or invest in because it's one big, clunky asset. Tokenization is like digital slicing that pizza shop into 1,000,000 tiny pieces, or tokens. Now, instead of finding one buyer with $1 million, you can sell these digital slices to thousands of people all over the world. That's it. It's taking any real-world asset, like real estate, company shares, art, or anything else, and converting its value into digital token on a blockchain. Each token is a share of ownership. This is a massive architecture overhaul of the global financial system because it solves huge problems such as speed. Right now, settling a trade takes usually 2 days. Tokenization makes it near instantaneous. This transition alone frees up massive amounts of tied-up capital and reduces risk across the board. The use of blockchain also improves efficiency and reduces cost. Our current system relies on massive siloed ledgers that have to be constantly reconciled. But blockchain gives us a single shared verifiable ledger. Experts estimate that removing this friction could generate up to $2.4 trillion in economic gains annually. And finally, the democratization. Tokenization allows for fractional ownership. You don't need millions to buy one entire luxury property or a share of a private fund. You can buy a digital token that represents your fraction. This opens up previously illiquid exclusive markets to everyone, 24/7, globally. The tokenized real estate market alone is projected to hit $4 trillion by 2035. Now, this is where things get crazy. We are not just talking about individuals and banks anymore. The next few years are about governments and institutional adoption. We are already seeing countries like Singapore, Switzerland, and UK creating clear legislation for digital assets. They're building the legal roads for this new financial system to thrive on. And it doesn't stop there. We are hearing more and more about central banks' digital currencies, CBDCs, in countries like China, Brazil, and the European Union, and even governments considering adding Bitcoin to their national reserve, just like they hold gold. So, by 2030, this is a vision, a world where governments use blockchain for transparent spending and treasury, where you can buy a piece of a skyscraper in another country easier than you buy a stock, where global finance is 24/7, borderless, and built on a foundation of unbreakable and distributed code. This could unlock trillions of dollars in creating frozen assets. So, crypto went from a niche tool for individuals to a product for bank clients and is now becoming infrastructure for governments and finance across the globe. It's a total redefinition of how we handle value. If you want to dive deeper into this future, check out the full article on my website, the link is in the description below. If your mind's blown by where we are headed, smash the like button, it really helps the channel out, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. Now let me know in the comments, do you think your home country will become a leader or a laggard in this tokenization future? Thank you for watching.